Hi everyone, Rob Foster here at the Paris Air Show. I'm going to be walking with Tom Deluca. We're going to be looking at some of our customer product displays.
So this is about my 10th air show.
And this is my first air show.
The structure side of the aircraft is where our alloy plate and most of our alloy sheet will go, as well as our coiled titanium. In addition, you know, the wings are very large components for those products, as well as the horizontal and vertical, primarily the horizontal stabilizer. On the internal, the oxygen sensors are made of alloy 219. The 625 is some of the hydraulic tubing, as well as welded alloy 219. Some of the wastewater systems inside of the aircraft is where the 219 would go. So there's some historical significance to where this air show is held in Paris. It's at a field called Le Bourgeois, and this is actually where Lindbergh landed when he made his first transatlantic flight.
At ATI SA&C, we sell our Trex hollows to our customers who oftentimes further reduce those to smaller diameters and even lighter gauge, and they're used in various components within the aero engine and airframe structural.
With this engine, it's burning hotter, longer. Typically with the engines, you see a lot of thrust at the beginning of the cycle. And then the deceleration, and then sort of in flight, it's relaxed to some extent. With this engine, it's going to be
higher
at a higher rate.
So it's going to drive the demand for our differentiated properties and the materials that we provide to operate at higher temperature under stress for longer periods of time. We make some of the Thai 6242 foil, a really light gauge titanium foil that's used in the baffling system. We do machining, and we do some of the thruster nozzles for these jet, rocket engines here. Make some components very similar to this on the propulsion system.
So thanks for coming along on our walk. We tried to point out some of the areas in specialty alloys and components and specialty rolled products where some of our products are used.
Tom, I appreciate you walking me, showing me some of your products. Hopefully you learned some pieces that we make at SA&C, and hopefully everyone at home will enjoy seeing some of the components that ATI makes and see how they're used in real life applications.